All right, so last time we started working on the bottom clamp, got it all smoothed up, radiuses, or corner rounding, radius, end mill, if that's what the fuck you call it. Then we got the pockets started to be made. Now we just need to, we're going to start flipping it over, do the radiuses on either side, all the flats, try to finish this clamp off right away here, get this done, then we can work on the stem and get these things behind us. So, yeah. We'll keep working on this thing. Why in the fuck would you make it like this? You gotta be fucking kidding me. You gotta be fucking kidding me. we got the rough shape of the top and bottom clamp all done. We just need to dial it in now on the rotary table for these 6 spots here. Need to round out them with a ball nose end mill and then the radius, the corner cutting end mill, just to make them all smooth. So we'll do that, and then the bottom here, these 4 sharp edges on the top and bottom, we are going to dial each of them in and just round these over, make them nice and smooth. And then that'll be the rough shape of them all done. Next, and then all we'll have to do, drill the holes, do the slitting saw, and then go over the whole thing with sanders and stuff just to make it smooth. So yeah, we'll do that. All right, so we got both triple clamps all machined up. They don't have to go back on the mill again. They looking pretty good. Just have to start cleaning them up. It's got all the tool marks on them, and so we'll go on there with Scotch-Brite pads on the die grinder and start cleaning everything up. They're all going to be brush finish, so going to go over them all, clean them all up, make them look perfect, and then we can move on to making the stem. That'll all be next episode. We're going to make a hollowed out stainless steel stem, lock nut, all that stuff, all the hardware. And then these bad boys will be done next episode. They will be completed, and we will move on to some other shit. But getting pretty close. Thanks for watching.